Hello everyone, I've got something super exciting to show you. So I'm on my website funnelstoincome.com right here. And you can see there's a chat bubble there which says WhatsApp at the bottom. I am now going to pretend I'm a visitor to my site and I need some support via WhatsApp. So this is what the pop-up looks like. I'm going to type my message now. Okay, so I'm going to type my message and this is my WhatsApp. So I'm going to say, Mac, I need some help. Okay, so I've typed in my message here. Now I'm going to hit send. Okay, so the message is sent. Now I'm going to take a look at my phone, which was registered to receive all these text messages. And already I can see that I have a message that I've just received here. There we go. So I'm going to open my message. And hopefully this should tell me the exact same message that I typed. And sure enough, here is the message right there at the bottom. Great. So why am I showing you this? Well, there is a service out there that makes the process of having chat messages on your website. Now, it's not just WhatsApp. There's a whole lot more that you can connect in this way. So what I'm going to do in this video is show you how to set it all up on your website. All right, so the service is called WP Social Ninja. And right now they have a lifetime license deal. So for one website, it's going to be $99, an agency website $299, and unlimited license for $499. Now, if you compare the services here with other platforms, and this is Smash Balloon, they don't even have a lifetime deal. This is $98 per year. And this one here, Spotlight WP is $49 per year. And this one here, Elfsight, is $180 per year. So this is a very good deal. So not only does it do the chats, it also does social feeds. So you can connect feeds from Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and coming soon is Facebook feeds. It also does social reviews. So you can have reviews from Google, Airbnb, Yelp, Trustpilot, TripAdvisor, and so on. And you can also have custom ones. And then finally here, this is the social chat. Now, let me just show you the amount of chats we can connect with this plugin. Okay, so when you take a look here, I'm going to come over here and add a new widget. So here, if I click on add, you can see we have Messenger, we have WhatsApp, which is the one that I connected on my site. We also have Telegram, Instagram, Twitter, Slack, and so on. So all these, even email. So if you want to have a chat bubble that just opens up an email pop-up, you can also do that. So this is a powerful deal. So I highly recommend that you go ahead and get it before it expires. Now, let me show you how to set it up. So the first thing we need to do is to install the free plugin. So I'm going to come over here to plugins, click on add new. I'm going to search for WP Social Ninja, and here it is. I'm going to click here on install now. Next, I'm going to hit activate. Okay, great. So I have this now installed. The next step now is to install the pro version. So once you purchase this, you're going to get your control panel, which looks something like this. So here it is. I'm going to come over here and click on view details and downloads. So I'm going to come over here. So you can see here, I have my lifetime license here. I'm going to copy my code. That's my license code. And then I'm going to scroll down here and click on WP Social Ninja Pro. So this is the Pro version, which has all the features that we need. So here it is. It's downloaded. Next, I'm going to come over here back to my website, click on add new, because now I need to add this plugin. So I'm going to click on upload. And then I'm just going to drag and drop it here. Or you can click here on choose file and navigate on your file system and locate that. Okay, so I'm going to click now on install now, activate plugin. And next we need to go in and customize and set up all our chat bubbles. But before we do that, we also need to activate our license. So I'm going to come over here and then click on settings. Scroll all the way down here to license settings. And right now I've gone ahead and activated it. That's because I had set it up and then deleted it. But this is where you would paste your license key and then it will say activated. Okay, so let me just give you a quick preview. So this is all our feeds. So we have social feeds. We also have social reviews, and we also have social chats. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your social chats. So this is ideal if you want to provide a chat system whereby if you're up and about on your mobile device, you can see all your messages, just like how I did show you in the beginning of the video. Okay, so let's set it up. So what you need to do is to click here on View Chat Widgets, and then you want to click here to create a new one. So I'm going to click here, and then all you have to do now is to click on Add Channel. So there's quite a few to choose from. So all these are all chats based. Okay, so I'm going to go with WhatsApp, but you can use Telegram, you can use Viber, we can use WeChat, we can use Snapchat and so on. So let's go ahead and click on WhatsApp. You know what? I would have loved to test the phone because this will be quite interesting how this works. Okay, perhaps I'll do a demo and show you how that works. But for now, let's set up WhatsApp. Okay, now this is where we need to enter our number. So I'm in the UK, so it's going to be +44 601. Okay, I'm going to hit save. So now this has been updated successfully, which is brilliant. We have now other options to customize this. So if I come over here to template, I can choose what the chat box is going to look like. So you can see we have this one here, support. Now notice what happens here at the bottom of the screen, because this is where it is updating. So we have this one here for feedback. We have this one here for sale. But you know what? I'm going to keep things very simple. I'm going to leave this general one. And then I'm just going to click here to go to the back. Now we have chat header. This is where you add your name. So in this case, I'm just going to say Mac, typically replies within an hour. I'm just going to leave that as it is. Now it's time to add my profile picture. So I'm going to come over here. Now here's my picture. I'm going to double click on that. Now make sure it's a small size picture, because if it's a big size, this won't work. And then I just want to continue on and do further customizations here. We also have a welcome message. So I want to keep it simple. I'm just going to say, how can I help you? So that should be fine. Next, I've got my chat buttons here. So start chat with, that shows when you click on it. Okay, so this is the text which says start chat with. So you can change this and say chat with Mac or whatever it is. But you know what? Let's just leave it as it is. And the other option as well is to come over here to the chat bubble text. So I can just say WhatsApp, so people know what this application is. We also have a chat bubble, so we can change the icons here to whatever icon we want. But you know what? I'm going to keep things again as simple as possible, because this is the icon for WhatsApp. All right, so moving on, we also have our settings. So we can decide where you want to have this. So you can have it on the bottom right, bottom left, top right. Okay, so I'm okay with bottom right. Now moving on, pages to display. You can actually choose what page you want to display this on. So you can only have it maybe on the contact page, but I'd rather have it on all the pages, just in case anyone wants to contact me on any of these pages. So as you can see, you can dedicate the specific page that you want. Next, we can also display based on post type. So again, I'm not going to worry about that. Now over here, you can also show the chat pop-up. So if I do that, this is what people see as soon as they come to my website. So it's a matter of preference. You can either have it this way, or you can just wait until they come on here and then click on this, and then the pop-up comes up. Okay, fantastic. So we're going to leave that as it is. And then here it also says show online or offline. So we can also activate this. Now look at that. I can select which days I am available to be online. So let's say I'm not available on Sundays. I can just go in here and uncheck Sunday, perhaps maybe even Saturday, and that will show. Now over here, I can say I'll be back soon, or you can just specify the hours that you work. So this is how you set this all up. Okay, now moving on, we also have the style. So this is where you can go in and really do a lot of customization. So you can go in here, change the header background. So we can go in here and change the colors. So you can see here, I can use now my branding colors to really get the color that I want here to display on my site. So I know I use quite a lot of blue. So perhaps maybe I could use that. That's a bit too much, but okay, let's go with that, because we want it to be easier to read as well with this text. So I'm going to go with that. And then moving on, we also have our title text color. So you can go in here, change the color to whatever color you want. So let's say you want to go with white. you can just go with that, but I'm going to keep things very simple here and leave it as black. And then also how we have the header caption color, which is here where it says typically replies within an hour. You can change that as well. And chat bubble background color. So as you can see here, there's a lot that we can change and customize. Okay. We also have priority here. So we could say priority 1 if we want this to be above pretty much everything on your site. So now that we have all this, all you have to do is to save settings, and then you can just go to visit site. And here we go. Here is our chat bubble. I can just click on that. And now it has all my colors and we are ready to go. Now, if I was to click this on my computer here, it's going to ask to open my WhatsApp. So you can see here, I can open my WhatsApp application on my computer and this will work as fine. But ideally, you want to use this on your mobile device because it's ideal that when people leave you messages, this could just come on your phone and you can just respond that way. So as you can see, this is very flexible. Now, the use cases where I can see where you would use WhatsApp or Telegram or even Viber is, let's say you're designing a website for a client that maybe does deliveries. And so they're up and about and they want to see all the messages on their phone. So this is where WhatsApp would work, but you don't have to use WhatsApp only. There's also other services like Facebook Messenger. And I mean, I did show you the list. So this is really, really amazing. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to add your social feeds. This is how you can add all your Twitter feeds, your YouTube feeds, and so on your own website. So see you in the next video. Take care.